How to wire money to Charles Schwab account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So to wire money to a Charles Schwab account, you need to get this specific wire transfer instruction from Schwab, which includes the bank name, account number and other necessary details. And you'll then provide these instructions to the bank or financial institution that's sending the money. So first of all, you want to go ahead and simply search for schwab.com in your search icon and then simply log in to your Schwab account. Once you have logged into your account, navigate to the wire transfer section or contact Charles customer service to get the specific wire transfer instructions for your account and currency. So once you have done that, simply contact the bank or financial institution that will be sending the wire transfer. Make sure to include your Schwab account number, including the G if it's Schwab Global account, and the name as they appear on your Schwab account. And after you have done that, simply ask the sending bank to include your account name and account number in the further credit to section of the wire transfer. This ensures the funds are properly credited to your account. And after that, the domestic transfer typically takes 1 or 2 business days to complete, while international wires may take longer, like 5 or 7 business days or more. Be aware that some banks may charge fees for wire transfer, so check with the sending banks for details. That's how I do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.